Hello guys, welcome again a new live stream. So we are going to talk about Bitcoin and monthly close and weekly close. Actually, it's very interesting what is happening with Bitcoin. So by the way, right now I'm in short in 4 hour chart because well there are some signals actually Bitcoin is getting ready for a correction right now in short term. Okay, so let's start with Bitcoin in the monthly chart. Let me show you here. We have a new close here today. Well, yes, yesterday actually we have a new close. And let me show you here. Volatility is contracted, still contracted here. One thing is actually is very interesting here is curve is still to the upside, and also ADX actually is looking very interesting here. So it's positive here. So it is maybe a good signal. Yes, of course. Yes, timing, well, is the problem. That I said before last month, this is my problem with monthly close. The monthly actually is looking great. It's looking good. Closing above 35k is very good. So right now Bitcoin is actually testing, as you can see here, the resistance actually in the monthly here. If I show you here, this area is the strongest resistance of Bitcoin in the monthly here, around $40,000. That is the level. Actually, from here, I wouldn't be surprised if we see a very nasty or very interesting correction for Bitcoin in the monthly, because right now Bitcoin is forming something very interesting here. Let me show you here the weekly chart. Weekly chart is showing right now a very obvious bearish appearance information, as you can see here. So I will be very careful here buying here, because to the moon, right? Because someone with a lot of money bought all people they are just gonna buy here. Careful with that kind of stuff, because as you can see here, volume profile is very clear. The strongest resistance right now is actually here around 39-40k, and actually my target I almost hit. My target is 40k, so actually I can say it's very close. The good news here, as I said before, if we see a pullback maybe in December or maybe next year, the Q1 of next year, this is going to be a very healthy pullback, and actually for me it's going to be a buy opportunity. After that, we will see, there is a very good chance we will see a bull market. Yeah, a bull market, that's something very good. Now, let's talk about some signals, some warnings. First of all, we have this warning, as I said before, better divergence in weekly chart forming right now. And by weekly chart, let me show you here, we have a better divergence as well forming here. So with this bounce here from $26,000 to almost 40k, I will be very defensive right now. Actually, I'm very defensive right now, waiting for this macro pullback. And now finally, I am getting ready for some shorts, some swing shorts actually right now. So let me show you here right now a FIDE chart. FIDE chart actually is very interesting as well, because yes, volume is healthy here, but we have the same setup. We have a better variance in OBV from this point and this point. Let me show you here is from this point and this point, and also we have OBV with the better variance, as you can see here. So as I said before, weekly chart by weekly chart, monthly, eventually they will reverse. So be careful here. Yeah, enjoy your profits if you are in profit right now, especially with Solana, because Solana actually is doing very well. But as I said before, if just Bitcoin just for some reason breaks this range, breaks 40k, I will start looking for 50k actually. 50k probabilities possible, yes. Very low probability, yes, of course. So it's, yeah, probability is yes. Actually, now the people they are talking about 60k again. So careful here, because technically speaking, if Bitcoin breaks 40k, yes, the next area is gonna be 50k, and from there, well, let's see, okay? Because this area, let me show you here in weekly chart. This area is gonna be the pivot to reverse a trend in weekly chart in macro timeframes. You have to see Bitcoin breaking 50k, and there, yes, we will see new highs actually. But for now, I am defensive in higher timeframes, waiting for this pullback, micro pullback, maybe 2, 3, 4 months of correction. So after that, yes, that for me, that is gonna be a buy opportunity, looking for actually long-term positions. So today and tomorrow I am recording right now in my a video with my top 10 altcoins and my positions for Bitcoin in the next 2-3 months, what I'm expecting, because yes, I think the time to invest in altcoins is coming. It's coming right now, and actually it's going to be very, very interesting. So let me continue here. Now I'm going to continue with one day chart. What we can see in one day chart, let me show you here. Beautiful better divergence is forming right now. Careful here, your long position, because you are bullish, because this thing is going to break up to the moon. It's possible, yes, but as you can see here, we have a beautiful better divergence. We have around three better divergence in one day chart, and also we have in curve a better divergence forming right now. So what is this telling me? Bitcoin is gonna drop. This is the strongest. We don't have a confirmation. We need to see the sell signal forming here, the confirmation in one day chart. But this is the strongest, the strongest setup in my trading system right now is forming, as you can see here. So that's why I am, well, actually fair enough. I mean, I am right now in short, actually around this area, looking for maybe $38,000, $39,000, 40, even 40K. I would add a little bit more shorts, but I think it's a very good position right now to start looking for shorts right now, because we have a better appearance here. And also we see to the chart, let me show you to the chart, we have volume is very healthy. Don't get me wrong, very healthy. Yes, it's going to be a pullback, very nasty. Yes, but it's going to be a pullback. And as you can see here, we have a sell signal here present into the chart. We have 3-day we sell signal as well. Volume is very healthy, beautiful here. There is no better divergence. So if we see this pullback, it's going to be continuation to the upside. Okay, that's the point. So let's continue here in 4-hour chart. And here is for short-term traders, at least maximum maybe 24, 48 hours. Yes, let me show you here. We have a triple better divergence forming right now. Wonderful setup here for shorts, at least in my case, right? We have here from this point and this point, as you can see here, and after that we have another leg up here, and we have a triple better divergence. And actually that for me is a very decent setup for start looking for maybe a short position. Where the target with this kind of setup, I will start looking for maybe $37,500, even lower, $37,000 around there. That is going to be my target, yes, in short term. And in one day chart, if everything is right with this better divergence, look at this, the target should be around 35K. So let's see, if you're thinking, oh, Bitcoin is gonna pump from here to 40, 50, 60, it's up to you. Yeah, it's your choice. But in my case, I'm a trader, so I have to respect my rules. So right now, no thank you, no thank you, this is not for me. So now let's continue. I'm gonna show you with just normal indicators what we can see in the monthly and also with a one day chart. We have the RSI here. Let me show you here. We have a better divergence as well forming here in the RSI. Also 4-hour chart, we don't have it actually. We don't have a better divergence right now here. But the most important chart for me for weekly chart, is weekly chart and monthly. Weekly chart, let me show you here. We don't have a better divergence, but this thing is actually extremely overbought. Oh my God, it's gonna crash? No. But it's a good warning. Like, it's not very smart to start looking for long positions right now, at least in the long term, because of course, eventually this thing is gonna just have a pullback. So I'm not saying it's gonna crash, of course not, right? But this thing is looking actually it's not actually the best setup in RSI. The monthly, let me show you here. Technically speaking, congratulations, we are in a bull market. Yes, we are. Technically speaking, found the bottom Bitcoin, yes, around 15K. I failed, right? Because I said it was 14K. Bitcoin reached 15,500. I failed for $1,500. Okay, never mind. So the thing here is, like, as long as the slope here in the MA is positive here, and also RSI is above 50 level, technically speaking, Bitcoin, if we see a pullback, for example, in weekly chart, it's gonna be a buy. So technically speaking, it's very good. It's very good. Bitcoin is doing very good right now. Now let me show you here with moving average. As you can see here, the slope MA21 is changing to, it's bullish. Yes, the MA55 here in the monthly is changing the slope to positive. That's very good. MA100 is very good. But remember what I said. Not because you see something like this, that means, oh yeah, to the moon, all in. I think it's not. There are, at least in my case, my rules are very simple. I want to see a pullback, a macro pullback in this case. I want to see something, a significant pullback. And after that, yes, I would consider to buy. Now, let's continue. I'm going to show you the SP500. SP500, as expected, is actually breaking the previous high. Yes, almost there, actually, almost there. Let me show you the one-day chart here. Looks like we will see a potential breakout here, and if we see that breakout, is the next area is gonna be around 4,700, and from there maybe some better divergence potentially. Yes, let me show you here 1 second. Okay, let me delete this. Okay, good. So as you can see here in weekly chart, I think we can see it. Yes. So if we see a new high here, for example, next week or the first week of December, the next target should be around 4,720, around here, this area. Yes, and officially we will have a better divergence in weekly chart. That's not good. Okay, that's not good. So you are waiting for shorts like me for maybe a couple months. Well, my friend, you will have a very nice opportunity very soon. Very, very, very soon. Okay, so as you can see here, target hit the previous high, perfect. The next target for me is 4,720, around there. And from there, a very beautiful, beautiful short opportunity for me around there. Well, at least for me, right? Okay, so I think that's it, guys. That's it for today. Sorry, like I've been busy this week, the last month, because I have some relatives. They are right now in Japan, so I don't have too much time. But I decided to do it actually this month because I was expecting sideways. I mean, technically speaking, Bitcoin did nothing, right? Same level, just playing ping pong. But we have to get ready, okay? So let's continue now with the dollar. Yeah, the last one is the dollar. It's gonna be Dixie, and it's very interesting here because finally it's testing the area I was waiting for. You see, it's testing around 100, 102. It's totally fine, totally good. So everything here, I will be careful here because in December, if this thing is holding, it's gonna form a buy signal maybe in December, January. You see, so from here it's gonna be very interesting because from here we'll pump maybe quite hard actually, continuation. So in general, as you can see right now, enjoy your profits short term. Yeah, very good. Bitcoin is bullish, yes, but I think at least for me, it's a time to just try to relax and see what is gonna be the next macro move. I am not saying Bitcoin is gonna. I don't see Bitcoin at 10K anymore. I have to tell you right now because someone asked me, hey, "Do you see Bitcoin at 10K?" No, I don't think so. I think probabilities are extremely low right now. Okay, but as I said before, the next big buy opportunity is coming, maybe the next 3 months, the Q1 2024. And also, I strongly suggest to you, if you are not in my Discord, well, it's gonna be a good timing because the market is about to start. So let's see. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Have a good weekend. I'm gonna start posting shorts very often again. I really apologize, but you know, I don't see my. I mean, I don't want to talk about my personal life, but I don't have many opportunities to meet my family, right? So I wanted to just spend more time with them. Okay.